Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this part, we continue the sushi process by rolling, slicing, and finishing our modern sushi recipe with creative variations and flavorful toppings. At this stage, we prepare our rolling station, which is one of the most important parts of sushi making because it determines how clean and tight your rolls will be. So we place a bamboo sushi mat on a flat clean surface, then lay down a sheet of roasted seaweed known as nori with the shiny side facing down, and we also prepare a small bowl of water nearby to keep our hands slightly wet so the rice does not stick too much, and this simple setup helps maintain control and cleanliness throughout the rolling process. Now we begin assembling the sushi by taking a handful of seasoned rice and gently spreading it over the nori in an even layer, and we make sure the layer is not too thick because too much rice can overpower the fillings and make rolling difficult, and we leave a small empty space at the top edge of the nori so that we can seal the roll later, and this step requires patience and light pressure because we want the rice to stay fluffy while still forming a stable base. After the rice layer is complete, we carefully arrange our fillings in a straight horizontal line across the center of the rice, placing cucumber, avocado, and protein evenly so that every slice will contain a balanced combination of flavor and texture, and it is very important not to overfill because overstuffing can cause the roll to break or lose its shape, and simplicity here leads to better structure, better slicing, and better presentation later on. Now we move into the rolling stage, which is often the most satisfying part of the process, and we gently lift the edge of the bamboo mat and begin rolling forward slowly, using light pressure to shape the sushi into a tight cylinder, and as we roll, we continuously tuck the fillings inward so they stay centered, and we keep rolling until we reach the exposed edge of the nori, and we seal it by lightly moistening the edge with water so it sticks securely and holds everything together in a clean and firm roll. Once the roll is complete, we move into slicing, which is a step that requires both care and precision. So we use a very sharp knife and dip it in water before each cut to prevent sticking, and we slice the roll into even pieces, usually around 1 inch thick, and each cut reveals a beautiful cross-section of rice, vegetables, and fillings that looks colorful, fresh, and professionally prepared, showing how careful layering creates visual appeal as well as taste. At this point, we can elevate the sushi experience by adding a modern fusion twist, starting with a light spicy mayo drizzle made from mayonnaise mixed with chili sauce, which adds a creamy heat that enhances the flavor without overpowering the freshness of the ingredients, and we can also sprinkle sesame seeds on top to add a subtle nutty aroma and a light crunch that improves both texture and presentation. We can also explore inside-out sushi rolls, where the rice is on the outside and the seaweed is inside. And this variation is popular in modern sushi restaurants because it looks more visually appealing and allows toppings to stick better on the outer layer, and to make it, we simply spread rice on the nori first, flip it carefully onto the bamboo mat, add fillings, and roll it the same way as before, showing how small changes can completely transform presentation and texture. Another creative variation includes adding fusion ingredients such as sweet mango slices for a tropical twist that adds brightness and sweetness, or cream cheese for a richer and smoother texture that blends beautifully with savory fillings, and these modern combinations show how flexible sushi can be while still respecting its core identity as a balanced rice and filling-based dish that focuses on harmony. As we near completion, we carefully arrange all sushi pieces on a serving plate in a neat and visually appealing pattern, either in straight rows or circular arrangements, and we finish with garnishes like sesame seeds, sliced green onions, or microgreens to enhance the visual appeal, and we also prepare dipping sauces such as soy sauce, pickled ginger, and optional wasabi on the side to complete the traditional sushi experience. Finally, what makes this entire recipe truly special is that it allows you to experience the essence of sushi in a way that is simple, flexible, and fully adaptable to your own taste, your daily routine, and even the ingredients you already have at home. And it shows that sushi making is not just about assembling rice and fillings, but about understanding balance, timing, texture, and presentation in a way that slowly builds your skills with every roll you make. It teaches you that cooking is not only a task to finish, but a process to enjoy, where each step from preparing the rice to slicing the final roll has its own importance and rhythm, and when you begin to appreciate that rhythm, the entire experience becomes more meaningful and satisfying. It also highlights that sushi making is deeply connected to patience and attention to detail, because even small actions like how you spread the rice, how tightly you roll, or how evenly you slice can completely change the final result, and over time you begin to notice improvements in your coordination, your consistency, and your confidence in the kitchen, and what once felt difficult slowly becomes second nature as you repeat the process and learn from each attempt. As you continue practicing, you will naturally start to develop your own unique style, whether that means experimenting with different fillings, adjusting flavors to suit your preferences, or even creating fusion versions that combine traditional sushi techniques with modern ingredients. And this creativity is what keeps the experience exciting, because no two rolls ever need to be exactly the same, and every new combination becomes a small opportunity to explore your personal taste and imagination. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.